expecting that.
You weren't expecting that?
No. Not at all. It's easy, don't it? Ah.
The wood into it, see? Yeah. Well, it's almost impossible to cut yourself with one unless you really try. Yeah, you probably hit that jacket over 10,000 times to get the full cut. If you can, you put your stomach if you miss, because your arms start right here anyway.
That's what you do.
What?
It's a nice,
Huh?
it's a nice bat. That axe.
20 years old. Only problem with pounding is that instead of using two hands, you're only using one. That's all it takes to do it.
All different thicknesses.
Yes, sir. Should wait 30 minutes after you eat before you start pounding. us ash for that night.
Holy. I don't know about that.
You need that ash? I got it.
It's over here, yeah. Look, we're getting molly. I guess.
That is beautiful.
I pulled it off. I said I could be molly.
I like that. Look at these babies. Oh, look at that.
I know. It's right down in there.
Oh my God.
That's a surprise every time.
It is. You can't tell until you actually.
Oh my goodness.
That's yellow.
Gorgeous. Where did they, what did,
You can't tell when you're in the woods there. You're gonna zig back to
It's not usually
hiking.
red like that, though.
No, that on it.
Yeah,
Can't
but
you-
like you say, you can't tell until
can't
it's
tell till you walk.
Hey Neil, one time I bought some
He
from
done
Eldon,
good.
and I made a basket for
This
my brother Steve.
It's a bummer. This is one
Pink
of the.
and white. Oh, he does at times.
Oh,
Yeah, can I much legal? Jeremy,
yes.
that's good.
Thanks.
That
Yeah, I wanted to
is
let
the
you see it
best.
anyway.
Well, I'm glad you showed me.
I want to see how it looks.
How many layers did he pound through?
Quite a few. I'm just taking the white off. There's about 10 there.
10?
12.
Wow. Good pounder.
Yeah, and they're
Good
even.
pounder.
Thank you.
Not sticking
Yes,
at all.
sir. Edging
That's
is
what we
leaking.
need, Daniel. You give
Oh,
pounds
we need
without it-
pounds.
without
You know what we
it
need
down.
more?
Yeah.
People that can find that.
You know, I've been
Can-
trying to get
Daniel, now any
a
else
few
what they
others.
should teach
He's out there.
these younger folks to do that.
They
That's who
should,
taught me.
Frank can go out and get ash.
Yeah.
Now.
Yeah.
You should, I wish we could get more guys interested, because that's what we need.
We need a
right now.
program
Yeah,
set up.
we do. We sure
Because it
do.
costs a lot to find new stands and things like that. So,
But that's beautiful.
like, I don't just take anyone to my
Yeah.
stands.
Only
If
me.
we had more money,
Yeah.
support us, you know.
Kids, yeah,
Where's what we need is
Well, we
grant
have.
money. Yeah.
We've been working with
They losing it.
a bunch
Yeah,
of
they are.
grants. Maybe too dry still, Frank.
I think it was end of August.
Some trees split better than others, that's for sure.
Oh, that's coming out nice.
Yeah, it's like big.
Dirty baskets. Him and Janet. So I told her she can go right ahead.
Do people have different styles of braiding? You could do well, I'm using 3 sweet grass, which is 4.
Jumping in. Braiding for me. She has a little bit more patience than I do as far as braiding. I'm a basket maker and I braid as little as I have to.
Delegate now, yes.
Yes. Yeah. So as time goes on, by the time they get to be 15 or maybe even younger, they should be able to get all the materials ready for their own baskets that they need to make. But it's been in my family. My mother made baskets right up to a few months before she died. And she only passed a cut 2 years ago. I gotta take my glasses up so I can see. These are pretty good, huh? This should be enough. After you get them done, then you should work with Eldon.